Welcome to Kenton's videos. Enjoy the video.
You start by verifying drivers and device selection because most audio faults are software-related. Open Device Manager and look under Sound, Video, and Game Controllers. Note yellow icons. Once done, download the manufacturer's latest driver or run Windows Update to replace corrupt files and install it. Then, make sure you set the correct default playback device in sound settings and play a test sound at about 50% volume so you confirm the system responds. Next, you resolve deeper configuration and service issues. Restart Windows Audio and Windows Audio Endpoint Builder services because they control output routing. A restart often restores sound. Then, open Device Properties to disable enhancements, toggle spatial sound, and verify the sample rate. Use 44. 1 kHz for music, 48 kHz for video to avoid playback artifacts. If problems persist, perform a clean boot or safe mode to determine whether third-party audio software or finally, you confirm hardware integrity and apply last resort fixes. Test your headphones or speakers on another device to rule out accessory failure and try different ports or a USB audio adapter so you isolate the laptop jack. Inspect the 3.5mm jack for debris and clear it with compressed air or a lightly damp isopropyl swab, careful and gentle. If sound still fails, reset BIOS or UEFI audio settings, and consider system restore before reinstalling the operating system as a last step. If nothing works, check the following tip.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.